Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Today's notification shout out goes to Bethany Arnold. Thank you so much for all the love and thank you for being part of the notification squad. If you guys want to be the next notification shout out, all you have to do is just like the video, be subscribed, and comment down below, and you can possibly be the next notification shout out. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for November. It came really quickly this month, very quickly this month. This was gifted to me by Boxycharm, but you guys know I'm always 100% honest with my opinions and all that good stuff. So this is for the month November. I'm freaking excited. I cannot wait to see what's in store. Let's see. Natasha Denona has 25% off. I think I got something I wanted. Okay, I did. So in here, this is the Natasha Denona. I love how it says Natasha Denona. This is the Peak eyeshadow. Those are my colors. Those are my freaking colors. And I got a 25% off. This one goes for $48. You guys, I am stoked. I just played with the Natasha Denona palette on my story time. If you guys have not checked that out, it was beautiful. So I'm excited that I got this in my Boxycharm, you guys. This is freaking gorgeous. And then I love, it's the color story that I love it. Love it. Love it. Next thing I see in here is this is the Body Graph Eye Pencil 2-pack. That's cool. This super smooth coconut oil infused pencils glide on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye area. Next thing in here I see is a lip oil. This is Ready Lip Oil, distributed by INT Cosmetics. It freaking snowed today, you guys. I know I live in Utah. I know it's expected, but you guys should have seen how nice it was a couple of days ago. Super freaking nice. And now you wake up and everything just, oh, it's so cold. I'm not fond of the snow. It looks really pretty. Oh, it smells good. It smells like the beach. But anyways, I like how the snow looks when it's like the snow is all out and stuff. I just hate the cold. I really do. Like, I'm already a vieja. Like, everything hurts when the snow comes. All right, now we have it's Earth, you dumbass. This is the Earth Harbor Anti-Pollution Youth. What is this? Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. That is so freaking pretty. So this restores antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. This one goes for $48. That is so cool. It's so pretty. Is it the bottle that's red? It's the bottle that's red, huh? I'm a sucker for packaging, you see? This is the Joie Essentials. If this is the lip balm, oh my goodness. This stuff is bomb, you guys. It's so crazy that I got one because my son was using it because his lips were a little bit chapped and he twisted it a little bit too hard and it just started coming out on the side. I was so sad. This is freaking amazing. This one is $17. Infused with good for you clean ingredients, the lip enhancer offers a smooth silky finish that will protect your lips from environmental damage elements while providing lasting hydration. This is bomb. If you guys are into like high-end lip balms or you want something that just really works, I highly recommend this one. It is awesome, you guys. Like, it really is. I love it, hands down. It's amazing. I'm so glad I got one. Yeah, I'm excited. And that is everything in our Boxycharm for November. Hell yeah. Woohoo. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. We're gonna get to playing around with the goodies and create something pretty. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect. And I'm just going to apply this all over. And I'm using the shade Light Beige. This is such an amazing concealer. It works like a high-end concealer. It really just does the job. Now going in with my Makeup Shack T29, I am just going to use that to blend out the concealer, doing patting motions and a little bit of just... I'm so excited that I got this palette, you guys. The freaking pigmentation was amazing, especially this burnt orange right here. Beautiful. I'm trying to see the name of it, but I can't. First, let's go in and let's use this shade right here. That really pretty rose shade. And I will be using Makeup Shack T59. I'm gonna go in with that color. And I'm just going to look how pigmented that is. Oh, Oh my gosh. And I am going to apply in my crease and lightly blend. Focus on my eye and blend. See how loud that car was and stuff? That's how I know when my packages are coming, because that's how loud the freaking melody is to the car, the engine. So I'm very curious, especially because the holidays are coming up, you guys. Super curious, what is on your Christmas list? What is on your Christmas list? What is some things that you want? I always give my family the option of 3 things. I'll get 1. And that doesn't mean go crazy with those 3 things. And like, I asked my brothers, like, I want a house, I want a car, and it's just like, so what are 3 things that you want? 3 things that are like, okay, that's something I can get, you know? Me, I don't really know. I honestly don't. I like sentimental things like the most. I'm gonna go in with this shit right here. I feel like if you take time to write me a letter, I will take that any day. Or if you make like a nice meal or something and we sit down and we just talk, or put on a movie that just brings like good vibes and we just sit there and we just like, oh, like, you know, enjoy the movie. I feel like that is cute. Or going on a cute like date, massage date. I feel like things like that are cute. Or even give me a freaking massage. This is for like your husband, your spouse. I think those gifts are cute. I can't really think of like something that I want for Christmas, you guys. Like, I love makeup, and that's why when my family tells me like, what's something you want besides makeup, I say something sentimental. Like, I don't know, make me something. But then they're like, oh no, like, I don't know what. And it's like, okay, I'll just take a gift card, because I feel like there's always new makeup coming out. You can't go wrong. Like, honestly, I feel like you cannot go wrong with a makeup gift card. You can't. Because what if I give you something and you don't even like it? I'd rather you pick it out and you not be disappointed. And if you are disappointed, whatever you pick out, that's on you. I love gift cards. I love it. I know some people are like, oh, that's so like there's no feeling or thought behind that. But honestly, I feel like there is. I feel like, yeah. Now going with this shade right here, I'm going to use the Lexi 250 Large Eye Blending. I don't know. What's your guys' take on gift cards? I feel like when I was younger, I used to get butthurt when I was given gift cards, but as I gotten older, I'm like, okay, I see why you did that. Because when I was younger, I was like, oh my gosh, they didn't even try, you know? They just wanted to get me like a Target gift card. But it's because I was younger and I couldn't like drive myself to the store. You know what I mean? I feel like it's different. But I feel like now, as a grown ass woman, I feel like it's a lot different, I feel. But anyways, what are 3 things on your list that you want for Christmas? I would love to know. I think that's so cool. Because what if there's something on your list that I'm like, oh my god, I want that too. I forgot about that or something, you know? So I'm just going to blend this in, doing circular motions. Oh, you guys, that is pretty. I hope everyone got this palette because that is pretty. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, and for my eyebrows, I've been loving how my eyebrows have been coming out. I've been going between the LA Girl Brow Bestie and the Ofra Cosmetics. This one is in dark brown. I was gonna say dark gel. I'm dyslexic. This is so pretty, and I just did really nice, like just like little strokes, and oh my god, this color is so gorgeous. It's beautiful. I'm like obsessed with that color. I feel like it's really just beautiful and it pops so nicely, like so pretty. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. So you can just continue to build up that color how intensely you want. I feel like this Alexi brush as well is like bomb combination with it, because it's just, I don't know, so like packed that I feel like it's really applying that color very beautifully in my crease. I have a feeling you already know where I'm going with this, but I'm gonna cut my crease because I really want I'm excited. Oh, should I cut my crease? Should I? I feel like it will make it look nicer if I cut it, because it'll make it look like crispity crunchy. Oh, you guys, I still have to play with this. This came in the mail. It's my first Kylie Cosmetics purchase, so I'll be doing a video on that for sure. I'm gonna go with the Makeup Shack flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to grab some of that Milani concealer, just coat it on both sides. And then I am going to just cut a little bit right here. And just take your time cutting your crease. You never want to rush it because it could literally kill the look or make the look. I feel like when I get nervous, this right here gets like super red. Now we're gonna go in with this beautiful shade right here. It swatched so freaking nicely. Going in with the Beauty Junkies All Over Pro eyeshadow brush. Then we're gonna go in and just lay it. See how pretty that is? Now I'm gonna go in with this Carrot Tea blending brush. This is the E30. And I'm going to pick up some more of that burnt orange just on the tip. And we're going to add that right there just to kind of bring that back and make it more sharp. See right there. So I can't find my e.l.f. tape because I usually like using e.l.f. tape, but I will be using the shadow shields. And you can find these at Walmart. I feel like these were like the first, like, oh my god, first ones. And then the e.l.f. tape came out and stole it. Let me see. Okay, I'm just gonna take off the stickiness and add it right there. And it just creates a really nice just whew. So if you're not good at eyeliner, this helps out a lot. You can also put it underneath so it can catch like any glitter fallout. These are bomb. Or I do my eye makeup before I do my foundation. I don't really need to use these ones for the glitter. So I just like using them when I want to create like a really, really harsh, intense eyeshadow. And it's really bomb for eyeliner. Now let's go in and I want to use that brown in the Natasha Denona. Well, duh. What other palette, huh? That color right there. And this one is a Morphe E23. And I'm just going to just pick up some of that color and then add it to the end. Ooh, that's pretty. Of this. And just kind of just like blend them back and forth. Don't go too harsh because you don't want it to look like, you know, like all just like blue together. So just do like really nice patting motions. If you go a little bit too much, you can just go back in with the color that is all over the lid and just go back in and just do patting motions just to kind of help blend them better so it doesn't look, again, like I said, like mushed. Now I'm gonna go back in with the Luxie brush and we're going to pick up that really beautiful shade and I'm going to add it towards the end and then just kind of just blend out. So for the eyeliner, I do want to go in with the brown. So this is an eyebrow gel, but I'm going to use it for an eyeliner. I don't know if I should wing it out. I want to wing it out, but I don't know. I went a little bit crazy with the wing, but that's okay. I just cleaned it up with some concealer. I'm going to go with some mascara. I'm going to go in with our Ardell Wispies 113. That's really nice. I really like how nice and sharp it looks. Now I'm gonna go in and add, this is the Ox, and I'm going to tightline. Alrighty, so I want to try this. That came. I'm gonna stir it up and a ver. Ooh, it smells pretty good. Ooh, it feels pretty nice. Alright, it feels pretty good. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This one is Y415. I love the way this goes on the skin. It looks so freaking nice. It just looks like I'm photoshopped almost like. Now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Shack T5. A lot of you guys have been asking about this one. This one is a freaking bomb. I love how like thick and white it is because you just can get in there really good. So use code Alexisjayda if you want to save some money. And let's go in and apply this. Like, oh, I really love how this brush just glides on the makeup. Now for blush, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop. This is freaking nice, you guys. I feel like it just goes on like airbrush. This one right here, pedal to the metal. Ooh, it is gorgeous. So I'm gonna go in. It's just so gorgeous, like so pretty. All right, now let's go on to our under eyes. I will be using the Black Walnut. Connect it with your wing. Gonna go in with this shade right here. This is the Luxie 229, the tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to just add it underneath. I'm gonna go in with some setting spray. All right, so now for the lips, I'm gonna use the Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick and Liner. The lip liner is really pretty as well, but for this look, I am gonna go a little bit deeper with the lip liner. I am gonna use LA Girl's chocolate lip liner. I feel like I keep saying lip liner, lip liner, lip liner. Line them, and then we're gonna go in with this really pretty terracotta color. It's freaking gorgeous. And it smells so good. Alrighty loves, so this is my complete look using the goodies from my Boxycharm for November. Let's just go over the goodies real quick. The Natasha Denona, I'm obsessed, you guys. I'm so glad I got it in my Boxycharm. This really pretty burnt red orange, just, it's like that. It's like that color right there. Freaking gorgeous. And the pigmentation is absolutely amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm so glad they put it in the Boxycharm, and I'm so glad I got it. I'm just, yeah. The oil, I really liked how it applied. Very nice. Can't really complain about it. It's a lip oil and it smells amazing. The EYE Cosmetics Lip Enhancer. This is bomb. This is freaking bomb.com. So I'm glad I got this one in here. The eyeliners are just like, oh, okay, they're good eyeliners. I did my tight line and I added it to the bottom lash line that did the job. And what's so cool, I really like that we got two. Really, I really like that. A brown and the black. Nice. Now for the oil, I like the way it applied. It felt, see you guys, I always talk with my hands. Sometimes people are like, you just talk so much with your hands because you got your nails done. No, I'm just I like to talk with mis manos. So anyways, going in with the oil applied very nicely. It felt good on the skin. Have no complaints about it. So we'll see. I'll keep using it and I'll give you guys like my thoughts on it. Didn't make my face feel oily at all, especially because like it's an oil. Sometimes it can disrupt the foundation. Sometimes, not all the time, but it didn't do that. I feel like I'm still very, very matte. My camera died. I have 3 batteries and all 3 were dead. So I really had to chill for a good hour or two. And by then I would already see if like it was going to disturb my makeup because I would see some oil coming through, but nothing. So I'm really pleased with it. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm. Let me know if you guys did get Boxycharm and what you got in yours. I would love to know. And if you guys want to sign up, I do have my own special link with Boxycharm. I will link it down below. You do not have to use it. It is a commission link. You do not have to use it. But if you do, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. I love you guys. Besos a todos. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really feel so freaking like, I really like it. I really I went a little bit dramatic with the wing, but I feel like it kind of just, it looks good. It looks good. I love you guys. Besos a todos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Sorry, the square, it's so squeaky. I gotta get a new one. Bye.